Hey, it's Fran, and this is Frantoku Demo. So today we're going to do is number 1 Sentai Gosyuger DX Wolf D Caliber 50. So here's the box. So we got here is Wolf D Caliber, Goshu Wolf, and Deca Claw. On the back is everything that you want to know about it. On the side, we got Goshu Wolf. On the other side, we got Deca Claw. And mostly of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let's begin. And here it is, the side weapon of Goshu Wolf. As you can see, it's a wolf-based sword short with a transparent and solid red in color with some gold and silver mostly in the blade. And notice that the handle looks like a leaping wolf. So we got the head, forearm, and the hind legs, which is based on the Tegasword red ring. Unlike the other 50s weapon, this had some electronic components, so which means that it had some lights and sounds. Why the others don't have? Because it's the Reds. They are the stars of the show. So speaking of, let's now do some sounds. So we're going to remove the plastic strip. Okay, so now we got the howling sound, and now to do is we're going to so 3 slashes, then a howl. So I like how it's in the reverse blade position because it's more concentrated on slashes, and also the trigger is placed. So it noticed that the blade is kind of longer in this position because if in the other way it looks like more like a knife. And lastly, this one serves as the controller for the Deca Claw. So to do the finisher is by holding the trigger. Press the standby and then release. So Wolf the Caliber 50 can generate powerful red slashes capable of tearing through the fabric of space and spawn black holes that which can teleport him and the opponent. It's just like a portal that you can jump and sneak attack. And to be honest, that finisher used on Garudos in episode 9 is fucking brutal. And now let's do the combination. So we brought back Tegasword Red. So first, we're going to disconnect the upper part. I'll let it finish this first. Okay, then we're going to fold the tip of the blade. Then we're going to rip off the left arm of Tegasword and combine it. Okay, so then we're going to put the head on the top of this. And we're going to take down the hood. And tada! Now we got Tegasword Deca Claw, which is the second main giant robo of Goshu Wolf. So it armed with a Deca Claw. So we're going to Alright, so it used this to tear out the living hell out of those giant dress guards. So now is the most interesting part about this is this hood, which looks like Hueru's chain that can be used to bind those dress guards and finish them off with the powerful slash and leave it with the hole. So speaking of, let's do the finisher, and that is by pressing the trigger. or by holding it. So that's it for the DX Wolf Decaliber 50. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, ciao.